GitHub Security. Here it is. GitHub Security. What is GitHub Security? GitHub Security is the set of tools and practices used to protect source code, repositories, accounts, dependencies, secrets. It helps developers keep their projects safe from hackers, data leaks, malicious code, vulnerable libraries. In simple words, GitHub security equals protecting your code and account from attacks. Why GitHub security is important? Modern software uses open source libraries, is shared publicly, runs on the internet, handles user data. Without security, cross-mark code can be stolen. Cross-mark passwords can leak. Cross-mark hackers can inject bugs. Cross-mark users can be harmed. With GitHub security, check-mark code is protected. Check-mark secrets are safe. Check-mark bugs are detected early. Check-mark trust is maintained. So GitHub security equals safety plus trust plus stability. Main areas of GitHub security. GitHub security focuses on account security, repository security, code security, dependency security. Each layer protects something different. Account means you. Repo means your project. Code means your logic. Dependencies means your libraries. Account security. Account security protects your login, your identity, your access. Important features. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Strong passwords. SSH keys. Personal access tokens. Why? Prevents account hijacking. Stops unauthorized access. Protects private repos. Bad practice. Cross-mark weak password. Cross-mark number 2FA. Good practice. Check-mark enable 2FA. Check-mark use SSH keys. Check-mark rotate tokens. Repository security. Repository security protects source code, branches, history, important tools, branch protection rules, required pull requests, restricted push access. Why? Prevents direct main branch changes. Enforces review. Stops accidental deletions. Bad practice. Cross-mark everyone can push to main. Cross-mark no rules. Good practice. Check-mark protect main branch. Check-mark require PR reviews. Check-mark limit access. Code security. Code security focuses on finding unsafe code, preventing bugs, stopping attacks. GitHub helps by code scanning, pull request checks, security alerts. It detects injection bugs, unsafe logic, bad patterns. Why? Prevents security holes, catches mistakes early, protects users. Dependency security. Most projects use third-party libraries, open source packages. Some libraries contain known vulnerabilities. GitHub checks your dependencies, their versions, their security status, using tools like Dependabot. Why? Many attacks come from libraries. Keeps software updated. Reduces risk. It can alert you. Create update PRs. Secret management. Secrets include API keys, passwords, tokens, private keys. GitHub protects by secret scanning, alerts, blocking commits. Why? Prevents accidental leaks. Protects cloud services. Stops attackers. Bad practice. Cross-mark store secrets in code. Good practice. Check-mark use environment variables. Check-mark use GitHub secrets. Security alerts and reports. GitHub provides security advisories, vulnerability alerts, dependency warnings. Teams can see risks, prioritize fixes, track status. Why? Central visibility, easy management, faster response, security in pull requests. Security tools run when PR is opened, when code changes. If problem found, cross mark merge is blocked. Check mark warning is shown. Why? Prevents unsafe code. Makes security part of workflow. Shifts security left. CI, CD in GitHub Security. GitHub integrates with GitHub Actions, CI tools, CD pipelines. Security checks can fail builds, stop deployment, notify teams. Why? Automation. No manual checks. Always enforced. Open source security. For public repos, anyone can view code. Anyone can report bugs. GitHub supports security policy files, private vulnerability reporting, patch releases. Why? Community helps. Bugs fixed faster. Responsible disclosure. Common GitHub security problems. Leaked API keys. Outdated libraries. Unsafe code. Weak passwords. Unprotected branches. Why dangerous? Leads to hacks. Data leaks. Reputation loss. Real-life analogy. GitHub security is like a house security system. Account equals main door. Branches equals locked rooms. Secrets equals safe locker. Scanning equals alarm system. Without security, doors open. With security, everything protected. In simple words, GitHub security means protect your account, protect your code, protect your libraries, protect your secrets. It makes GitHub check mark safer, check mark more reliable, check mark more professional. Best practices. Always. Check mark enable 2FA. Check mark protect main branch. Check mark use PR reviews. Check mark update dependencies. Check mark scan for secrets. Avoid. Cross mark hardcoding secrets. Cross mark pushing directly to main. Cross mark ignoring alerts. Common beginner mistakes. Using GitHub only as storage. Not enabling 2FA. Sharing API keys. Ignoring dependency warnings. No branch rules. Why? Makes projects unsafe. Looks unprofessional. How GitHub security helps teams scale. As teams grow, more developers, more code, more risk. GitHub security. Check mark controls access. Check mark automates checks. Check mark prevents disasters. Check mark builds trust. Security is not optional. GitHub security. Check mark protects your code. Check mark protects your secrets. Check mark protects your users. Check mark protects your reputation. Good security habits equals safe software equals trusted developers equals strong careers.